AWS CloudSearch 101, AWS CloudSearch vs Solr. AWS CloudSearch is a managed service that simplifies setting up, managing, and scaling a search solution for your website or application. Here's a comprehensive overview. Features asterisk, supports 34 languages and popular search features like highlighting, autocomplete, and geospatial search. Easy to configure and manage through the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, and AWS SDKs, scalable to handle fluctuating data volumes and search traffic. Provides automatic monitoring and recovery for search domains. Cons asterisk, some users report that the speed of cloud search can depend on the internet connection. Documentation clarity has been a concern for some users. Index cleanup and full indexing can sometimes be challenging. Known issues and fixes asterisk, users may encounter document upload errors if the data is not formatted correctly or contains invalid values. Validating JSON or XML data before uploading can prevent these issues. There can be latency issues with faceted queries or sudden increases in errors when searching. Pro tips asterisk, utilize the AWS Management Console for a more user-friendly configuration experience. Regularly monitor your search domain's performance and adjust scaling settings as needed and efficiency. Take advantage of the rich search features by customizing search options and relevance ranking to improve user search experience. Alternatives asterisk, Algolia, known for its fast and reliable API, offering a free tier limited to certain operations. Google Cloud Search, provides search solutions across various Google services. IBM Watson Discovery, offers cognitive search and content analytics. Bloomreach, connects deep customer data with product data for personalized experiences. For more detailed information, you can refer to the official AWS CloudSearch documentation or explore community forums and tutorials. Remember to keep an eye on AWS announcements for any updates or new features.